This month of August, we are celebrating our national language. This is in accordance to former President Fidel Ramos's proclamation number 1041. So how important is it really to use the Filipino language, and why do we need to use it? Ria Fernandez reports.
Despite the fact that the English language is currently used for international relations and trade, the Philippines does not forget the capacity of its mother tongue, Filipino. Just like using Filipino as a tool to clearly understand the message of our compatriots. A perfect case is on the weather reports containing highly technical terms and need to be laymanized for us to easily comprehend the information.
Meteorology, marami kasing term na wala sa Tagalog. Halimbawa, yung Intertropical Convergence Zone. Kahit na hanapan mo ng Tagalog yan, talagang wala kang makikita. Kumbaga, yun talaga yon. Mayroon pang mga kagaya na lamang ng storm surge, kung saan maraming napinsala yung bagyong si Yolanda. Hinanapan namin ng pinakamalapit na word yon at ang nakita namin ay yung daluyong. So, para mas maintindihan ng tao, kailangan talagang ihanapan. Mahalaga na magkaroon ng Tagalog o magkaroon ng salita na mas maintindihan ng mga tao. Pero hindi lahat ng salita sa meteorology, kung nahihirapan din kasi kami dahil unang-una wala talagang makita. Pero hanggat maaari maghahanap kami upang mas lalong maintindihan, upang mas lalong maparating at kumbaga isang salita lang alam na ng mga tao.
Entrepreneur Roland Cabato also sees the same purpose of the language. For him, his staff easily understands every time he speaks in Filipino, especially when giving out orders.
Mas naiintindihan nila yung instructions kaysa naman i-foreign language mo. Siyempre, Pilipino tayo, kahit malalim yung Filipino na word na sinasabi mo, kaya nila intindihin.
It's better too that teachers use the Filipino language in class as suggested by Catherine Espina, a cashier in a gasoline station. According to her, we should patronize and use it daily in our conversation since we are Pinoys.
Siyempre po yung sariling wika natin, Filipino, di ba? Kasi lalo na po sa mga school natin, para halimbawa nagpapaliwanag yung teacher, madali nila makukuha yung paano pag-aralan yung inaaral natin. Halimbawa yung sa pagbabasa natin ng mga yung sa mga pagkuan natin yung paano pag-aralan yung para sa computer kuwari. Madali po natin makukuha kung Pilipino po natin sa Pilipino po natin gagamitin.
For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.